periodic table, and the answer to that is hydrogen. But what I was just now talking about is the overall cosmic ingredients, everything in the universe. We talked about that as well. The cosmic inventory is like 5 things: photons, baryons, neutrinos, dark matter, and dark energy. Hydrogen is never the answer. Hydrogen is the answer if I asked what is the most abundant element in the universe. So, yes, we did talk about quasi-stars or quasars. Do you want to hear about that? We talked about quasars under active galaxies. Look at this. So, as I was mentioning, did you know that galaxies are of different types? We classified galaxies as the spirals, the ellipticals, and the irregular galaxies based on their shape. But what if I were interested in galaxy classification with regard to the activity in those galaxies? So since somebody asked about quasi-stars or quasars, that's exactly how you say it. So very good job, ALXNLT. And please do like the live while you're here, especially if you're joining just now. So if I were to be interested in figuring out, oh, it's not you, okay. If I were to be interested in figuring out the activity in galaxies, and in fact, I just mentioned how active galaxies are the ones that, let me rotate, let me put this right here. Can you guys hear me okay, by the way? Everybody here can hear me fine? Everything good? Thank you for liking the live. Thank you for liking the live. So, okay. Whoops. Okay. So if we were to be interested in sort of the activity of the galaxies, and in fact, it's really to do, everything in astronomy is really to do with luminosity and what we're measuring. So even the discovery of quasars had to do with what we measured, what we saw, you know, and they weren't really, they weren't sure what they were looking at because, so you asked, do you know about quasi-stars, which I thought that was a very interesting question because you said it exactly correctly. The way we saw these quasars are basically, we thought they were stars. They're galaxies that looked like they were stars. That's how much of their luminosity was concentrated in the center of them, you know, the active galactic nucleus business that I was talking about. So our galaxy also has a supermassive black hole that is accreting material into it, but we don't call our galaxy an active galaxy or an active galactic nucleus galaxy. Why? Because most of the luminosity of our galaxy don't come from the supermassive black hole galactic center. It comes from the stars in our galaxy, like a normal galaxy. But there are galaxies that are called active galaxies where most of the luminosity is dominated by their galactic center, which is generally an active galactic center or an active galactic nucleus is what the word is. So there are 3 types of active galaxies, if I can speak. These are Seyfert galaxies, Seyfert. I will type them. Active, since you asked, I'm going to cover this now. Active galaxy types. Seyfert galaxies. Seyfert galaxies, quasars, or quasi-stars. Oops, I can't type. Are you still here? The person who asked the question?